have Toastmaster Sarthi. How, why, when I joined Medley Toastmasters Club. How, why, when I joined Medley Toastmasters Club. Sarthi.
Why the title so short? Okay. How, why, and when I joined Medley Toastmasters Club. I'm sure all of you vividly remember the first day you visited this club and how you came up to join, whether it was through as DTM, as Toastmaster VNS, our charter president said, through the marketing tactics of wonderful speech, you're a really amazing speaker, or how it all transpired. So today I'm here to share how I actually came to join Medley Toastmasters Club. I see a few smiling faces, a few eager faces. Don't worry, I'll get straight to the cut. It was 2005. It was all over the news. Toastmaster Mohan had just successfully landed the plane. And he was all the TV, all the press was all about Mohan. And when he was quizzed, what is the secret? What is the secret? Was it the flight simulator program? Was it the gaming time? He said, no. It's all down to Toastmasters. Wow, this is something that I have to join. Toastmasters gave me that leadership skill what Mohan said. I thought I too want to imbibe this leadership skills. So I looked at what is this Toastmaster and what are the clubs nearby. I found two clubs. One is Medley in Adyar and the second is Chennai Communicators Club in Velachery. I thought let's give this Medley club a shot. So this was back in 2005. So picture me, as a thin, lanky dude with long wavy hair like Aishwarya and a goatee. And I walked into the club with my shorts and my cool t-shirt. And Toastmaster Sundaraman was the, DTM Sundaraman, then TM Sundaraman was the VP membership. He looked at me at the door and I was trying to enter the Medley club in Gandhinagar and he said, tennis court is downstairs. No sir, I'm here for the Medley Toastmasters club. He looked at me and said, come back with some formals and with some manners. I was depressed, dejected. That time I was in the Toastmasters, so I didn't know this triad concept. Just the two adjectives. And the next week I came back with my formals. I sat through the meeting. It was excellent. I saw Toastmaster Mohan there, and I was ready to become a member. Then we had this feedback, and I was like eager to give my feedback. And Toastmaster Jayanti was like, she was the presiding officer. Wait, I'll call you. Finally, my turn came, and I sat there and she was like, yes, you can give your feedback now. The meeting is, make sure you finish in 30 seconds. The meeting was, no, are you going to become a member? No, the meeting, are you going to become a member? First stand up when you're giving feedback. So I was a bit upset and I thought, okay, fine, let me try this Chennai Communicators Club before I sign up for this St. Joseph's College of Engineering. And I went to Chennai Communicators Club. It was a totally different experience. That time Medley was like, it was like this senior citizens club. And Chennai Communicators Club, all young faces, and I thought, this is where I belong. This is where I belong. And I don't know if you know, Akshaya was there, Divya was there. And Akshaya was president, this small tiny girl. And again feedback. This time I was a little bit hesitant and I was sitting down. Yes, no, you can give your feedback. I stood up, no need to stand up, you can sit down and give your feedback. So, as I was giving my feedback, I thought I'll join the club. Then Akshay comes to me and says, Uncle, that was a very good feedback. I thought, enough of this Toastmasters, right? I'm not going to do anything to do with it. And I had lots of other problems at that time. My long wavy hair was slowly falling and I was becoming bald, and I thought I have to do something about this baldness. And then newspaper I saw this ad, education session on baldness by DTM Sunil Jose. And I went to the meeting, again Gandhinagar Club. I thought, wow, okay, lots of things happen at Gandhinagar Club. No, just sessions. And Sunil was there and I was like, Sunil, what is this DTM? DTM stands for Dermatology Toastmaster. Dermatology. But Sunil, I think I can go bald like you because it really suits you. I think it will suit no, you need to lose some weight and then only you can become bald. Zig Ziglar's quotes, right? You don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. So he said, you don't need to be bald to be fit, but you need to be fit to be bald. And that's what I've been working towards for the last 3 months, in 3 years in Medley Toastmasters. But it's been a great ride, and I'm privileged to be part of this 350th meeting and to see all the wonderful faces, people who have helped me grow in this club. And without further ado, thank you so much, and I hand it back to the